Billy builds a robot. Let's create the sentence. Tap a card to flip it. Billy builds robot. Billy builds a robot. Very good. Let's try something new. This is your next challenge. Drag each card to the correct spot. Billy builds robot. Billy builds a robot. That's great! Let's try the next one. Choose a card and drag it to create your own sentence. Cowie paints a blue robot. Cowie paints a blue robot. Very good! Let's try something new. Here is your next challenge. Drag the cards to create the sentence. Billy builds a big robot. With Cowie. Billy builds a big robot with Cowie. Very good! See you soon!